How to delete TG or Telegram accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Open up Telegram, and once you open Telegram, tap the three lines option from the top left, then just navigate to settings. Once done, scroll down all the way to the very bottom, look for Telegram FAQ and then tap on it. Under Telegram FAQ, look for this section here known as your account. Under your account, you'll find one of the titles that says delete your Telegram account, so tap on it. So when you go there, again you'll find how do I delete my Telegram account link, and right there you'll find the deactivation page link in the blue button, so make sure to tap on that link. As you do that, it will take you to this page again, where all you have to do is simply make sure to actually enter your phone number, but you have to enter in the international format here. So from here, you can just enter the country code of your country here. In my case, it's +977. Make sure to enter your country code and then only go about entering your phone number. Tap the next option. It will send a verification code, verify it, and your account will get deleted. This way you can delete your TG or Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.